very old building here. So this is the downtown of Sakon Nakhon. As you can see, there are old buildings. And we're still trying to find the restaurant. Okay, we made it here at one of the best restaurant in Sakon Nakhon, which is house number 1712. So let's take a look here inside the restaurant.
Hello, สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Hello, welcome.
So we're lucky, we're very fortunate now to meet the very owner of the restaurant, called house number 1712. Nice to meet you, sir.
Hello, my name is Tiger. I'm the owner of the house number 1712.
Thank you, sir. I'm so interested with your restaurant. May I know what's your house specialty?
Alright, actually, our restaurant, we are the passion to make the local food to serve to the customer, and we collect the ingredient mostly from Sakon Nakhon, like everything, like a vegetable, like meat, seasoning, salt, everything product from Sakon Nakhon. Yeah,
wow,
from local.
Sounds interesting. So, any recommendation in your menu?
Yeah, well, mostly I like to present about the beef. We are special of the beef, like local beef, Mueang beef. Yeah, to serve with the Isaan style, like tartar, lap, you know, lap, or the Western style, like a steak and soup. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So we're very excited to try and dine in here.
Yeah.
In addition to their special menu, so we have Sir Tiger has his own specialty for spirit.
Yeah, it's here.
As you can see.
Yeah, it's another of my passion. I like to drink. I love drink, so I made my own distillery and made my own spirit. So this one is named Onson. Onson is a Isaan words. It's local words. It means adorable. It means beautiful.
Wow.
So my spirit is this one is vodka, and made from the ingredient is made from 100% of a coconut flower nectar. And this one is gin. Yeah, gin. I also love gin. It's a botanical gin. Yeah, it's a consists of the local herbs, Thai herbs. Yeah, and also have rum. Yeah, and also have rum. It's a sugar cane and coconut flour.
Oh, sugar cane.
Yeah, yeah. So you can try it all. Yeah, we can serve for on the rock, or we can serve with like a cocktail. Yeah, and we have some special.
These are pickles.
Yeah. No, it's not a pickle. It's a plum wine. It's not. It's a plum spirit. And this
what
one
about
is
this?
berry. It's a local berry. And this one is lychee.
Lychee, I remember this thing.
Ferment with my own spirit. Yeah. Fantastic. But you can try it all.
I'll have to try. Thank you so much for introducing your specialty, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you for welcoming us here, sir.
Okay.
So I think this time we're gonna have our order since we're starving.
All right.
Been in a long way.
Soup of a grilled fish, like similar of the tom yum.
I got my mulberry soda now,
lemon.
so let's give it a try.
เลมอนมายังใช้มะนาวไม่ได้ต้องใช้เลมอนนะต้องใช้เลมอน
Amazing.
This our complimentary is a snack for every customer. It's we call Mueang. Actually, it's a wrap, Vietnamese wrap, and we deep fry it. And we serve with the chili paste, chili oil, and mango mixed together. You can put this one dip with the chili paste. The taste is amazing.
Looks good.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Gonna try.
Yeah.
Okay, let's gonna try this raw. Dip in the sauce.
See this.
Tastes good.
It's sun-dried pork salad. Yeah.
Oh.
And the dressing we made from the fermented rice. It's like a rice wine, and have a chili paste also inside. And we have a local vegetable like a tomato from Sakon Nakhon. Yes. And you can mix together and try.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Gonna try.
Yeah, we try. Yeah, we made this here, sunrise. Oh. How is-
Tasty.
How is it? Thank you so much. Yeah.
Mouth watering.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. This one is we call local fish and local rice. We serve with the Japanese style. Yeah. This one we call payon.
Payon.
Payon is a yon fish. It's a freshwater fish. And we take the bone out, take the
it's
head out.
boneless.
Yeah,
Yeah,
boneless.
it's
Yeah. You can dip with the orange here. And this one is Sakon Nakhon local rice from Hom Dok Hang group. Yeah. And we serve with the sauce. Outside you can blend
Mix it.
Yeah, mix together. It's more aroma, more flavor. Yeah. And we serve with the dip. The dip is
Smells good.
like a Japanese style also. Yeah.
And it comes with amazing. And it comes with rice, so we're gonna try and mix it. Succulent.
Yeah.
Last menu.
The local
is
sirloin beef grill.
Sirloin.
Served with the local salt from Sakon Nakhon and 4 types of the pickles, ginger,
The chili.
and the onion, and we call the matum. Yes.
Okay.
And we have 2 types of the sauce, the dipper here. This one is tamarind sauce.
Oh.
The tamarind sauce is the
Tamarind.
taste. Yeah, it's a sour, sweet and sour. And another one is a traditional Isaan sauce. It's a bitter taste. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try to many way. The classic one you can try with the local salt, Sakon Nakhon salt,
Oh,
just
so this is a
with
salt.
beef. It's a classic one.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, try. Yeah. And pick one of the pickle you want. Yeah, we all do here.
So this is a tamarind sauce.
Yes.
And, okay, I'm gonna try the tamarind sauce
Okay.
since I love tamarind. Flavorful.
Flavorful. Thank you so much. Thank you for.
And
It's a ginger.
pickle. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for a
Thank you so much.
wonderful lunch and dinner. And it's such great food, amazing experience here. Thank you for your hospitality.
Thank you so much also.
And we really enjoy the food and the drinks, so it's highly recommended here.
Oh, wow.
So
wow.
hopefully we
It's
can come back
amazing,
here soon.
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Okay, here we are now at the beautiful temple here in Sakon Nakhon. And look at how tall is it? It's very I'll see you guys for the next video.